need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly, fly in the sky in the night. Whoa.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things I'm getting into.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sako if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, darling. So it's a new vlog, and it's an exciting vlog because me and Harry are going away for a staycation. The date is currently 18th July. It's a Friday. We're going for the weekend. We're gonna come back on Monday, just the two of us. And if you guys are wondering who's Harry, Harry is my boyfriend. Yes, Harry is my boyfriend. And yeah, we're going away, just the two of us, for the weekend, and we're just take some time away from Lepke. But anyways, nails done, looking classy but with a touch of summer vibes and stuff. Lashes done as always, hair done. Yeah, my braids are 2 weeks old, but then I'm gonna have to deal with them. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck like I said, but no, my baby popping that Adderall. For sure.
So I went to the beauty bar. I wanted to get some Neutrogena products. I got the normal sunscreen that I get, SPF 25 Hydro Boost, and then for a change, I want to try the Neutrogena Hydro Boost night cream. This is how it looks inside. Yeah. So for this small thing, I had to spend 500 TL. And then remember, this cream was 200 TL. It's now 500 TL. That's crazy for me. That's really crazy. And yeah, so I spent 1000 TL for just those two products. Neutrogena. You better sponsor me one day. Because yeah, Neutrogena is really working for me. I won't lie. I'll vouch for the brand and everything. But anyways, let's get going.
Bubble back, I'm a rich new Cadillac. Cause I don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the noise.
So we've actually arrived, and Harry is at the reception trying to check in, and then soon we'll just get in there, and yeah, I'm gonna make a room tour for you. So yeah, get ready. But then yeah, we're already in Iskele. It's been a long drive to Iskele. I'm so exhausted. Actually, I'm hungry. And yeah, anyways, I'll see you inside. Yeah.
Since I had the rolling on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water.
It's time for the room tour. We have the kitchen this side, obviously standard fridge, sink, kettle, stove, and yeah, and then the living area and stuff. And then the room side was like some divider with like wooden thing here, room divider wooden thing, and yeah, this is the room. Cute. our view. It's time for the view. We have a pool view. It's not bad, and the other blocks and stuff. So yeah.
Franco. I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and
Hey, so I've gotten ready. We've had our breakfast, we saw that. I've gotten ready and we're going to Makosa because we need to go and look for like a few things that the house doesn't have, because there's a lot of things that are not here. They don't even have decent glasses. But then anyways, yeah, we're going to Makosa. I'm also looking for, you know, all those small electrical blenders, because I want to be making margaritas here, like homemade margaritas. I have all the ingredients, but then I just need the blender. Anyways, yeah, that's the plan. We're going to Makosa and I'm bringing you along with me. So yeah, and yeah, I want to show you my outfit.
wave right now. Yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me leaving softly. Yeah. Let me judge you know you love.
Sorry guys, I forgot to vlog when we're gone, but then we are back and we're going to have lunch. After that we're going to, I don't know, but then yeah, we're back. We are going to have lunch. We were able to go to one Chinese place. We were able to get dumplings, rice, and sticky chicken over here. So right now we're going to have lunch. After that, the plan is to go and swim in the indoor pool. So yeah, I wanted to go outside, but then it's already like overcrowded. There's a lot of people here, and for someone who wants to take pictures and stuff, I'm going to be uncomfortable. But anyways, yeah, we're keeping the vlog going. I'm here. I'm gonna keep you updated every second, everything that happened. I'm gonna update you.
I got that blues, fever, cold as ice, so you can be you're like another fire-breathing creature. It don't burn how it appears. True, you can lay me down, but don't you forget it. It's the first thing you felt will ever do. For reasons only because you said it.
Say hello to my boyfriend. Hey, say hello to my followers.
Hello.
So good morning. I just woke up, did my skincare, and obviously ate breakfast. I didn't show you when I'm having breakfast, but then I ate obviously. There's no way I'm not gonna have breakfast, but then I wanna show you the more interesting things and stuff. Right now we are going to the beach, and yeah, hopefully we'll swim, have lunch, and bring some drinks, and yeah. so spend the day with me. And yeah, other than that, I'm enjoying my stay here. My baby is making our stay so special for me. I feel loved, I feel special, and yeah, the girl is happy, the girl is happy. So anyways, let's go to the beach.
I know the plan was to go and swim at the ocean, but seeing how calm the ocean was and how everyone was just enjoying and just the overall atmosphere there, so we just decided to get drinks, lay down our towel and actually enjoy the views, looking at everyone playing and swimming. And we also got time to just enjoy each other's company. We really talked about a lot and we just enjoyed our day out of the resort. So overall, it was a day well spent.
We're on the hunt for food, like some snacks or whatever. So we're gonna look on from the stands and check some good food, hopefully some tacos or something. Yeah. It's dinner time. Did my makeup. The brightness is low, you can't really see it. Oh, you can see it, you can see it. See, girl is looking cute. Makeup done by me. So yeah, we're going to, where are we going? We have a reservation at Fogo, Grand Safari. So yeah, let's go and have dinner.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know, we both can play. For tonight, I'm yours, so deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors, 'cause all I wanna do is lie with you.
So guys, we're back from dinner and my makeup is still there, and look at my eyebrows. My eyebrows decided to show up and show off today. So yeah, anyways, we just got back, had a crazy incident outside with the police, but then we're good. And yeah, good night for me. I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning, and we're leaving tomorrow, going back to Lefke. So yeah, but then my stay has been good except for what just happened outside right now. Otherwise it's good. So it's our last day. We've already packed our stuff. We're ready to go and check out. So yeah, this is the last day of the staycation. We're going back to Lefke. Yeah, I really wanted to go already. I say it's nice here, it's nice, but then you just get tired of the same thing over and over again. But then yeah, it was a good staycation and I really enjoyed everything. So yeah, let's get going.